Hi, Chris here. We're looking at Chopin's Waltz in A minor, sometimes referred to as B150. The worksheet we're looking at today is worksheet number 6 from my workbook, which the full details are in the description below. We're looking at the appoggiatura in bar 4. And to do this, we need to start with the finger pattern at the beginning of bar 3. Where we have a B, C, D, which would be quite easy to play 1, 2, 3 and reach, but that's not very elegant or graceful, which is what we need for this waltz. So a preferred fingering would be 1, 2, 1, allowing the 5 to move up gracefully to the A. So let's try that. That also allows you to lean slightly on the A as it rises to the peak of the phrase. Now when we're coming down towards the end of the bar, we get to the third finger on the F, and the E we could either play with second, allowing the thumb to reach for the D sharp, which again isn't very graceful, or we could use the thumb and allow the length of the second finger to reach for the D sharp, then come back down on the 3, which I think you'll agree is a lot more graceful and a lot more elegant. Let's try that whole phrase. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Now looking at the left hand, we've got 5 on G, 2, and then that jumps up to 5 on C3. We're using this finger pattern because we've missed the rest of the bar out. It should work out, but we don't want to include this at the moment, so we're just going to use the movement between these two notes. Let's put that together to play the whole of the first line. When that's quite secure, we can move on to line 2. At the end of line 2, we have the thumb on E, the third finger on F, rocking back to the thumb on E, and the second finger over to D sharp, then the third finger coming down. Use a rocking motion rather than the fingers only, because this allows for a much more relaxed performance. 1, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's try that with the left hand. Same movement before, from the 5 on G2 to the 5 on C3. Now when that's comfortable, we'll try and put the chords with it. Again, as I said before, we're not using pedal with this exercise, so it may sound a little disjointed with the chords. That's fine. We're looking for a nice, smooth and gentle right hand. The left hand is just supporting. Practice that till you don't have to think about the fingering pattern, so it just happens. When that happens, put it together with the piece and add a little bit of pedal. See you next time.